Did you know that face masks are one of the most effective ways to give your skin a quick exfoliation, instant hydration, and radiance? In this video, I'm going to share my top 5 face masks for dewy skin, plus 3 bonus face masks that are sure to leave you looking and feeling amazing. So let's get started. First, let's start with clay masks. If you have dead, flaky skin and congested pores, you are going to love the Watermelon Glow Mask by Glow Recipe. Infused with moisture-attracting hyaluronic acid and kaolin clay, the non-drying formula of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Clay Mask helps to minimize the appearance of pores and even skin tone for a more luminous complexion. Micronized blueberry seed powder is used to physically exfoliate away dead, flaky skin, while chemical exfoliants like willow bark extract are used to deeply clean the pores. Leave this mask on for about 2 to 5 minutes depending on your skin type, and then rinse away with lukewarm water. It can be used daily. It is worth noting that you may experience a slight tingling feeling. This is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free and retails for $40. If you have dry skin and you really want to use a clay mask, try this Allure Award-winning non-drying whipped clay mask from Fenty Skin. Non-drying kaolin clay helps to remove impurities, while encapsulated charcoal helps to further detoxify pores when rubbed into the skin. It also contains salicylic acid, which helps to reduce blemishes and smooth the skin. While these amazing ingredients are removing all the bad things from your skin, ginger and rhubarb extracts are actually giving back to your skin by conditioning and soothing the skin. This is clean, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free and retails for $32. Up next is our budget mask, ringing out at only $16. If your pores are feeling super congested, try this volcanic AHA pore clearing clay mask from Innisfree. This creamy clay mask uses volcanic clusters and the AHA lactic acid to absorb excess sebum, to exfoliate dead skin cells, and to minimize the appearance of pores. Because it absorbs excess sebum, this one is especially good if you have an oily skin type. You're going to use this about 1 to 2 times per week, leave it on for about 15-20 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin is going to feel clean, smooth, and your pores will appear smaller. This clay mask from You to the People is incredible because it contains 3 different types of clay: volcanic, white, and French green. Together, these clays soak up excess oil and gently exfoliate pores, but it too has salicylic acid to really deep clean those pores, and 2% niacinamide to even your skin tone and tighten your pores. Whenever you have a face mask that is taking so much out of your skin, bad things, it's always a great idea to have ingredients infused into it that put things back into your skin. For example, this one has kombucha black tea, which is really good at helping maintain and support a healthy skin microbiome. You can use this face mask 1 to 3 times per week, putting it onto clean skin, leaving for 10 minutes, and then rinsing. This is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and retails for $38. Now let's move on to overnight masks. I personally am a huge fan of overnight leave-on masks. I don't know, maybe I'm just lazy. I'm definitely lazy. But I like that it's doing the job for me while I'm sleeping. I don't really have to rinse it off. Really good for me. If you're a lazy girl like me, you're gonna love overnight masks. If your main skincare concerns are skin tone clarity, pores, and texture, then this leave-on mask from Farmacy is going to be your new fave. It contains a 10% niacinamide, which helps to smooth skin texture, reduce the appearance of pores, and help regulate your skin's oil balance. 3% panthenol and beta-glucan keep your skin hydrated and basically just keep your skin's moisture barrier happy. Blueberry seed oil brings your skin from dull to radiant. This can be used as the last step in your nighttime skincare routine, on top of or instead of your moisturizer, depending on your skin type. It does come with a cute little spatula to apply it. I did lose mine, so don't do that. This is clean, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free and retails for $44. I love using this overnight face mask to get instant gratification because when I wake up in the morning, my skin looks tighter, brighter, and clearer. It is, drumroll please, the Tula Beauty Sleep Overnight Repair Mask. This overnight mask focuses on exfoliating, firming, and smoothing using AHAs. It brightens an even skin tone using vitamin C. Indian gentian is infused to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. While all these beautiful, wonderful things are happening to your skin, green tea extract is soothing and calming the skin. Probiotic and prebiotic extracts are present to help balance your skin barrier. Unlike the others, this one does have a little pump, which is nice if you don't like to dig your fingers into jars. I'm not gonna lie, it does have a little bit of a strange smell. Almost all of these masks do. I think it just kind of comes with the territory. To me, the benefits outweigh the funky smells. But if you go and like even just look the reviews, there are a lot of people being like, oh, it smells so weird. But I mean, like, do you want to have clear skin or just have a face mask on your face for 10 minutes that smells a little bit weird? You know, like, I think it's worth it, but like, you know, you do you, boo. You can use this nightly by itself or on top of a serum. This is clean, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and retails for $68. This 2022 Allure Award-winning overnight mask from Fresh is what your dry, dehydrated skin has been begging for. Squalene helps your skin barrier retain moisture while soothing and softening the skin. Passion flower oil and cornflower water work together to calm the skin and help reduce surface redness. Peony and cherry blossom extract help to improve skin tone texture and improve skin tone clarity. And vitamin C is used to brighten your overall complexion. You can apply this nightly onto clean skin. This product is clean and retails for $69. Now we can finally talk about gel masks. I feel like there aren't a lot of gel enzyme masks on the market, but here we are. We found two amazing ones. This mask from Ren Skincare is not a clay mask. It's not an overnight mask. It's an exfoliating fruit acid gel mask. So glycolic acid from pineapple extract, lactic acid from passion fruit, and papain from papaya all help to exfoliate your skin, help with texture, and bring out your natural radiance. Your skin's gonna feel rejuvenated, smoother, tighter, and more radiant. You can use this 1 to 2 times per week for 10 minutes max and then rinse it off. Definitely expect like a little tingling sensation. This product is clean, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and retails for $58. Similarly, So Smooth by Tula Skincare is a resurfacing and brightening enzyme face mask with a gel-like consistency. It uses the power of a gentle chemical exfoliant blend of glycolic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid to leave the skin looking polished and refreshed. Pineapple, pumpkin, and pomegranate are used to help further exfoliate and to help your skin be nice and smooth. Prebiotic and probiotic extracts are present to support your skin barrier. This is a 10-minute leave-on treatment to be used a few times per week. You rinse it off when you're all done. You probably will feel a little bit of a tingling sensation. That is normal. It just means the acids are doing their thing. This is clean, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and fragrance-free and retails for $36. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate you, and I'll see you guys next time.